Hello, I am Madhusmita and I am a twin flame divine masculine. I am a certified ascension coach and my life purpose is to bring twin flames in their harmonious union. I am a student of Jeffrey Shilia's teaching and I have gone deeper into my journey to discover the authentic self expression of me. You can see the transformation that is happening in my life, and the purpose of me coming into making the videos is you see the transformation happening. You will be able to see and you can make the journey along with me. Okay, so as taking you deeper into the twin flame journey, bringing in the consciousness of union, consciousness between twin flames, how the mirroring happens, what had happened in my journey, all that I'm going to share in all of my videos. And we can just bond like anything. We can just be, partner our journeys, our energies together through YouTube videos. So my today's topic is specifically into it's me in your heartbeat. This is the thing that I got channeled by my twin flame. When you experience that pain, that constant pain in your heart, no matter how much you have been healing, till the time you are like not yet completely in union with God, you will still experience some or other thing reflected back to you from your twin flame. And all through that I will tell you, you don't have to break down, not at all, not at all, because you are a spiritual warrior. So there is no point to give up, there is no meaning to quit the journey because things are not turning out. And anytime you feel like your twin flame is mirroring some upset and making you feel awkward, making you feel discomfort, so it is always good that you follow the mirror exercise, and I have made a detailed video of mirror exercise that you can refer from my channel. The specific purpose is when I did because I was experiencing a block, the block of coming into coming into the harmonious union energy into my life purpose, because that is my current focus. And I'm parallelly going through the healing journey also. So when I meditated on that, I could able to see a part within me that was feeling like alone, that was still feeling alone, because it is like the block will heal layer by layer. Okay, so the block will heal layer by layer, and it will come to the surface to the extent that you can handle it, right? So God is not going to give you something that you cannot take care. Okay, so that's the way it is. That's why it is going to be very easy and fun. You can just choose how much you can handle and it will come to you. And it's just that the moment you feel that you are ready for the next healing, you just have to ask God, show me the next block for my harmonious union, and it will come up. So when I was able to hit that core of feeling alone, where I was not able to find anyone, there was still a dark part within me where I was completely left behind. So going deeper, I was able to connect back into my childhood. There was still a childhood memory which was still stuck in my energy body. So that took me to a place where I was like too much scared, because something happened between me and my mother, and I just ran from my home. I just ran so that I don't want to get more hurt from her. So in that process, I ran from the house. And when I was just running, I was like, there is nobody for me. As if, the whole, you can just imagine, that was the age of 11 or 10 or 11, that's what I remember. And I'm just running, and there is just field, there is no road, that is just a field behind, that was my behind my house, and I was just running into that field. It was a paddy field, and I'm just running to escape from the hurt that was coming from my mother. And at that moment I was feeling like, as if that was my last day, and I felt like I am so alone, there is no one to rescue me, right? And that pain was so deep, I could not realize from a long time that it is still there, that feeling of abandonment and feeling lonely and feeling hurt in such a deep way, and there is nobody to support. All together that was stuck in my energy body. And I felt like, I will share this today in the video. And what happened when I was able to see that part, because I have been feeling very strong and very powerful, so this part was, too much deeper into my core, into my heart. So when I was able to see that part that was still in darkness, so all that I had to do is just connect with that part and love that part. And the moment I was started to feel love and peaceful, I was able to connect with my twin flame. And it is not like that, like I connected this moment. I was able to connect in that age also, and in that moment also my twin flame was there with me. Okay, that was so amazing. Because when I was running, and at a point, there was like, like you lose everything, right? All your fear and everything is gone, there is no end, there is no way to go out. And anyway, that day I was not in a mood to die, right? There was no plan for get dead. It was just I was running for from being punished. I don't want it to be hurt, so I was just running. So I was able to see that my twin flame was there with me, like within me. And all of a sudden I started to feel that love, like that was like a call within me, that I am here, like you don't have to be scared of anything that is happening with this thing. You are so powerful and you are so loved, that I am here. And that voice came from within my heart, and I was able to connect with that energy that was there. Because your twin flames energy will be there all along your journey, not only this lifetime, from lifetimes you will feel your twin flames energy within your heart, because they always say, I'm there within your heartbeat. So at that moment I felt so relieved, that I feel that I am not in union with my twin flame, but she is all along within me, that nurturing, because I'm a divine masculine. So that nurturing and caring energy that supports me, and that always help me to come across any obstacle, or also came across any situation that was feeling like, like a mountain from outside for anybody. But I was able to come up, get over that very easily, because that deep support and their deep nurturing was there within my heart. And then I said, yes, this is exactly how the harmonious union is going to feel like. It doesn't matter physically how much, because these are all the energies are symptoms of getting closer to the harmonious union, because I'm again connecting back with my twin flame within my heart. So it is always good that whatever you are feeling, even a small drop of energy, if it is there and that is keeping you from loving yourself, it is always recommended that you heal by loving yourself. Take support. This journey is not a struggle, and you don't, and if you believe that you have to go through a certain amount of pain, certain amount of struggle to be in union, that's not true. So just love yourself and feel the presence of your twin flame within your heartbeat, and you will just ground very naturally. All that resentment, all that anger that you might be holding on to, it will just go away. It will just go away because love will take care of everything that is not serving, and only love is going to serve you to achieve your twin flame harmonious union and anything that you desire in your life, because your twin flame journey is going to take you to a expansive life, but it is all about you, what you are choosing on this journey. So let me know how you feel about this video, and you can connect with me for anything that you desire on your twin flame journey. I'll be happy to support you. Thank you.